No. Oh, you fucking asshole! Why'd you fucking do that in here?
Dude.
You don't feel that though, Pat? Seriously? You fucking knew too.
Pat's gonna look for the kid who beats you.
I hate shit, I'm sorry. Shit happens, it just happens.
Do that again, do that again. Oh, come on, dude.
Make a flame now, I dare you.
Oh shit, dude, I'm fucking right here. Fucking right here, dude. I didn't do anything. Hey guys, that's dangerous. Stop.
Alright, let it stop.
Now when fucking cars are driving by, they call the fire department. Alright, that's enough, guys.
That's enough, sir.
That's enough. We got you, okay?
Fucking ass.